Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome to this week's video. Today I am going to do an unboxing of a new musical gear that I'm very excited about because it's going to change the game completely. I mean, you already know what it is, telling from the title of this video. Anyway, it's right here. The tape on the box, it says awesomeness because it's the box of awesomeness. Also, I'm going to say this ahead of time. You're going to hear firework noise in the background, and please excuse that. People are celebrating 4th of July, and if you are celebrating, then happy 4th of July to you and your family. If you're not, that's totally fine. I understand the reasons you stand behind. So, let's get into it. There's one big box, one small box, a separate item, another medium box. I'm so excited! This is a bundle of an audio interface with a condenser microphone and headphones. So right here we have the microphone, the audio interface, and the headphones. First of all, the thing that I am excited about the most is the microphone. You guys, you have no idea how hard it is for me to record covers. It's so frustrating and tiring and exhausting and tedious. The process takes so long without an actual professional condenser microphone. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. Oh, it looks and feels so nice. There you go. Yes. There's a little cardioid symbol right here, which I think is so cute. Next is the audio interface, also by Focusrite. Oops. This is what it looks like. Kind of has some shine and shimmer to it. Shimmer? It's not eyeshadow. Why do I say shimmer? Oh, you can see the reflection right there. All the plugs and knobs for you to adjust stuff. I have a USB/USB-C cable, and this is the microphone cable, XLR cable. And then we have this. Not sure what it's for. Well, I'll figure it out what it's for when I actually put things together. This is Scarlett Studio HP60 MkIII. And this is what the headphones look like. The design looks very nice and sleek. That is it for this box. So I have a small box, and this is a shock mount for you to put the microphone on. I think this is kind of like a third-party brand. It's not by Scarlett Studio. You know what the mount looks like, so I'm not gonna open this up. And then I have a pop filter, also by a third-party brand. For those of you that don't know what the pop filter is for, it's going to help your makeup look alive. Nah, I'm kidding. With the pop filter, you're able to filter out any popping sound that you may pronounce. And it will also help with the durability of your microphone as well, because every time you pronounce the P word, you can feel there's a lot of air coming out, along with the moisture from the inside of your mouth, obviously. And so that moisture will build up on top of your microphone. It will build up over time, and it's going to affect the sound later on, as well as this won't last as long. So you need this. And right here I have the microphone arm. Sorry. Oh. A clamp if you want to clamp to a table or any surface you want. So that is it for the unboxing part. I just want to share a little bit about why I decided to get this brand. I actually had a different model of the Focusrite interface saved in my Amazon cart initially. I had the first generation saved in there and it was only $99. I had it saved in my save for later cart for forever. Like, I'm talking 2-3 years, and that was so long ago. Until one day I realized that it became unavailable and I was like, no, because it's only $100. And let me tell you, these equipments are so expensive. That $100 first gen was considered cheap among the whole market of audio interfaces. So I was so sad, but then I was able to, oh wait, hold on, before I get to that. I also had a different brand of the condenser microphone saved in my Save for Later cart. And that was, I believe it was the Rode NT21 or N21 or something. It also sat in my cart for forever. And I never had the guts to spend the money. It was, well, before it became unavailable, it was 300 something, I would want to say $350 before tax. So I had to scout for another one, and I felt so lucky to find this bundle. And I'm so excited to use them for the future videos. So if you're interested, and if you're also looking for some recommendations, I don't know much to recommend, but I can link it down below so you guys can check it out as well. A very nice thing is that this bundle comes with Pro Tools. If you're not familiar with Pro Tools, it is a DAW, D-A-W, or digital audio workstation. And if you are familiar with Pro Tools, great, you have it there to use. If you're not, if you're already using different DAWs, for example, I'm using Logic Pro X, or if you're using FL Studio, Ableton Live, or whatever, these devices will be compatible just fine. But if you haven't used a DAW yet, or if you're not familiar with one yet, there you have one to use. I know I will be playing in there a lot. Alright you guys, thank you very much for tuning in this week. Thank you very, very, very much for all your love and support. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so you won't miss any future videos that I post. And stay tuned for next week. Bye!